Good morning, students. So in this video we are going to revise our chapter number 3, that is major water bodies. As you must have already seen our previous videos, we have discussed about the chapters, then we have discussed about exercises. So in this video we'll again revise our chapter number 3 because this chapter will be asked in your assessment. Okay, so please go through it, and if you have any doubt then kindly comment. Okay, so what do you mean by hydrosphere? Hydrosphere, see, we have different hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere. So hydrosphere is basically the part of the earth which is made up of water. So the part of the earth which is made up of water is called as hydrosphere. Now, do you know how much percentage of our surface earth is covered with water? It is 71%, means of the total area of the earth, 71% of the planet is covered with water, and that is why it is also called as blue planet. Okay, so what makes up an hydrosphere? What are the major components of the hydrosphere? What are the major parts of the hydrosphere? The first one is oceans, seas, gulfs, bays, straits, lakes and rivers. Okay, so these are the main components of hydrosphere. So let's discuss about the percentage of water in the different sources of the earth. The first one is our oceans and seas. Approximately 97.95% of water is there in the oceans and seas. So maximum percentage of water is. Next, 1.64% are in the form of glaciers and ice caps. You know what is glacier? Glacier is the huge masses of ice. Okay, so we find 1.64% of water in the glaciers and ice caps. 0.365% as groundwater, which is normally present in the ground. 0.36% in lakes and rivers, and 0.01% in the atmosphere. So these are the different you can say sources of the earth. Seas, glaciers, groundwater, lakes and rivers. So like this we have discussed about the percentage. Okay, next, what do you mean by oceans? Oceans are the vast expanses of water separated by continent. Means it is very you can say big areas or big expanded areas of water. And how it is separated? How we can separate one ocean to the other ocean? With the help of continents. Okay, so let's study about different types of oceans. The first one is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is S-shaped. Have you seen S? S for sun, S for star, S. It is like an S shape. You can see in the map. And it is the second largest ocean on the world. So Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. Is it clear? What is the which one is the first largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Okay, so Atlantic comes after Pacific. It has a long indented coastline with good sites for harbor. See, the coastline are the areas besides the oceans. So it has a very long coastline, and the good sites of harbor means it is a very you can say good spot for import and export of the commodity. All the waterways transactions occur through these coastlines. The submerged mountain range in the middle of the ocean is known as Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So what is Mid-Atlantic Ridge? There are mountains inside the oceans also. The submerged mountain in the middle of the ocean is called as Mid-Atlantic Ocean. Mid means middle, Atlantic, ridge is ocean. Next comes your Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is triangular in shape. Okay, what is the shape? Triangular. What is the shape of Atlantic Ocean? S-shaped, and narrows down towards the north. From the south, if we move from the south to the north, it becomes narrow, which means at the bottom it is broader, and as we go up it becomes narrow, like a triangle, or you can say like a samosa. Okay, it is only ocean named after a country. Indian Ocean got its name after our country, India. Is it clear? Next is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. The second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean, and the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. And Arctic Ocean lies within the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. What is the position of the Arctic Circle? Between the North Pole and the Arctic Circle. Its location within the Arctic Circle keeps it frozen throughout the year, because it is between North Pole and Arctic Circle that place remains cold throughout. That is why this ocean remains cold, or you can say remains frozen throughout the year. Next is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and it is of O-shaped. O for owl. Okay, O-shaped. Pacific means, what do you mean by Pacific? Pacific means calm, shanti, or tranquil. The deepest ocean trench in the world is Mariana Trench. It is located in this ocean. You know that Mariana Trench, like it is submerged in water, submerged in the waters of the Pacific Ocean. The height of Mount Everest is 8850 meter, whereas it is more than Mariana Trench is your 10,994 मीटर. मीन्स माउंट एवरेस्ट से भी ज़्यादा बड़ा ये मरीना ट्रेंच होता है जो पानी में सबमर्ज्ड है. It is located by active volcanoes. It is bordered by active volcanoes termed as Pacific Rings of Fire. Means this Pacific Ocean is surrounded, you can say is covered with the volcanic mountains, and that is why it is called as Pacific Rings of Fire. Next come to the last ocean, that is Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. The water of the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean in the south form the Southern Ocean. Means when we combine this Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean, they all finally flows into your Antarctic Ocean. And this Antarctic Ocean is surrounded by the continent Antarctica. Is it clear? Now let's come to the significance of oceans. Oceans, or you can say importance of oceans. The first one is oceans provide large amount of water to the atmosphere. How? Because they are the huge masses, they are the vast expanses, so there is a huge area of water, and you know that evaporation takes place when sunlight is getting into that ocean. The waters from the ocean are getting evaporated, so it is providing large amount of water to the atmosphere. Second is they are the economical mode of transportation, especially for cargoes, like whatever goods you want to you can say sell it to the other country, it is the most economical method. Third is they are the source of food, minerals and tidal energy, because we can get huge amount of food from here, huge amount of minerals from there, and electricity also, you can say energy also. Seas also support large variety of aquatic life, many you can say different varieties of plants, corals, fishes, animals, shark, dolphin you can find here. Ocean currents and sea breeze have a moderating influence on the climate of coastal region. Because of this sea, the climatic condition is also better. Tides, which occur due to gravitational pull of the sun and the moon, are useful in the movement of the ship, because tides basically occur due to the you can say gravitational pull of the sun and the moon, and that is why it helps in the sail of the ship. And large ships sail into the water with receding tides. Means tides के साथ साथ आपके शिप्स भी ट्रैवल करते हैं इसीलिए. Is it clear? So that's all for today. Hope it is clear to you all. Thank you. Bye bye.